Imagine stepping onto the surface of another planet. A red desert stretching out as far as the eye can see, with Earth just a tiny speck in the sky. This isn't science fiction anymore. Mars colonization is closer than ever. But why are we so obsessed with Mars? It's not just about exploring the unknown, it's about survival. Earth, our beautiful blue planet, is facing threats like overpopulation, climate change, and dwindling resources. What if Mars could be a backup plan? The race to colonize Mars is led by visionaries like Elon Musk, whose company SpaceX has set its sights on making humanity a multiplanetary species. It sounds ambitious, but think about this. Less than 100 years ago, people thought the moon was out of reach, and now we're talking about living on a planet 140 million miles away. That's the kind of leap forward we're making. But let's be clear, this won't be a simple move to another neighborhood. Mars is an unforgiving place. Its thin atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, and the surface is bombarded by radiation from the sun. The temperature? Well, it can drop to minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit at night. So why are we so determined to go? The answer is both simple and complex. It's in our nature to explore. Humans have always pushed beyond the horizon. Mars is just the next horizon. But to survive there, we'll need to terraform it, essentially change the planet to make it more Earth-like. This could take centuries, maybe even thousands of years. One idea involves nuking Mars's poles to release trapped carbon dioxide, thickening the atmosphere and warming the planet. Another involves creating giant mirrors to reflect sunlight onto the surface. It's all wild, futuristic stuff, but it's being seriously discussed. But what about getting there? SpaceX's Starship could carry up to 100 people at a time to Mars, with plans for cargo missions as early as this decade. Once we arrive, the settlers would face the challenge of creating self-sustaining habitats. Food, water, and oxygen would all have to be produced on-site. Imagine farming in underground biodomes, recycling every drop of water, and breathing air generated by machines that split water into hydrogen and oxygen. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi novel, but it's becoming a reality. And let's talk about time. Getting to Mars takes around 6 months. Can you imagine spending half a year in a spacecraft floating through the cold emptiness of space? And once you arrive, the real work begins. It's a one-way trip for many, at least for now. Colonists would be the pioneers of a new world, facing isolation, danger, and the unknown. But what they're building is more than just a colony. It's humanity's future, a second home in case something goes wrong on Earth. Mars may seem hostile, but we've always thrived in adversity. From the harshest deserts to the frozen tundra, humans have adapted and survived. Colonizing Mars is the next great challenge, and with the rapid advancements in technology, it's no longer a distant dream. We could be witnessing the first human footsteps on Mars within our lifetime, and who knows? Maybe the next giant leap for mankind won't be on the moon, but on a red, distant planet that could one day be home. If this excites you as much as it excites me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me, here at Quirky Facts Daily, for more mind-blowing insights into the future of our world and beyond.